Assalamu alaikum, my 8th class. I hope you are listening with a good state of health. And in today's class, we are going to do questions from the exercise, which you have done in the chapter as well, because we read the chapter thoroughly and we have a good concept about the computer network now. Now I will mark these questions. You have to take a lead pencil with you, okay? And I am going to share my books with you people so you can take the answer from there. Okay. Okay. I'm going to share it with you. Okay, here are the questions. These questions. Give brief answers to the following questions. First of all, we will go for the question number 1, data communication. It is on page number 2. Page number 2, data communication. Okay, what is the data communication? Sharing of information is called the data communication. Here you can see computer network. I will underline it. Computer network enables the sharing of information, programs, and hardware components. It is called the data communication. Okay, or you can say that the exchange of information from one place to another, it is called the data communication, right? You can raise your hand if you have done it. First, I will move to the second question. Okay. Then the second definition is cellular communication, which is on page number 70. Cellular communication. Okay. So we will move to page number 17 first. Here you can see the cellular communication. Okay, I'm going to underline. Cellular communication is a radio communication. It is distributed a land area called cell. Okay. Okay, now we will move to the next definition, satellite communication, which is on page number 17 as well. Sorry, 18. Satellite communication is on page number 18. And satellite communication is a form of wireless communication in which satellites are the main objects, and communication satellites ideally placed to provide the telecommunication link between the different places across the globe. Okay, now we will move to the next one, fiber optics. Okay, so you will move to page number 12. Fiber optics cable. I'm going to underline it. Fiber optics cable is a type of cable that uses glass or plastic threads to transmit data, and it consists of a bundle of glass threads. Okay, and each of which is transmitting message in the forms of light waves. Good. Everybody have done it? Raise your hands again. Good.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now we will move to the second question. Name different types of transmission media. Okay, in this question, First of all, you have to write the names of 3 wires we have read. Okay. First one is twisted pair. Okay, this one. You can go from here. There are 3 common types of transmission media. Okay, this one, and then you will go for their names. Twisted pair cable, fiber optics cable, and coaxial cable. Okay. Everybody marked it.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Now we will move to page number 8, and the question is how a modem works. Show diagrammatically. So we will move for the page number 8. Okay, here is, you can see that how a modem works. First of all, you have to learn this diagram, which I have explained in previous lessons. And then you have to mark the definition. A dial-up modem is a communication device, and it is used to connect to internet to exchange information and data and receive data from one computer to the other. It translates the computer information into a form that can be transmitted over a telephone lines, and then you will go for this diagram, where 2 modems are putting aside the computer. One is the receiving computer and second one is the sending computer. Sending computer sending the signals through the modem, and receiving computer receiving the signals through the modem. What is the working of modem? Modems work to converting the signals from digital to analog, and the modem at the receiving side is again converting the analog to digital, because from the wires analog signals will be transmitted, and computer understand the digital signals because computer works with the digital numbers. So it is necessary to convert them, because we have to use the wires to convert them from one place to another, right? Okay. Now we will go for the next question, which is on difference between LAN and WAN, which is on page number 5 and 7. So everybody knows that how you will write the difference. First of all, you have to draw a midline, okay? And then you, at the right side, you will write the specification of local area network, and then on the left side, you will write the specification of wide area network. And in this way, you will done your differentiation between LAN and WAN. Okay, last question of today's lesson, which is what is a satellite communication, and it will be on page number 14. Satellite communication. Page number 14. Here you can see. Okay. Satellite communication is repeated in the questions. It comes second time. So there will be only one question and you have to write it once. You don't have to write it twice on the notebook. You just have to write it once. Okay. Okay, in this way we have marked all the questions. Asking you a question, you have to answer me. Which of the following is a communication device? A, mouse, B, modem, C, monitor, D, printer.
Teacher, modem.
Very good. Okay, I am repeating the question. Which is a powerful computer that facilitates the whole network by providing variety of services to the computer or devices connected to it. Client, B PC, C server, D laptop.
मैम मैं आता हूँ.
No. तहरीम बताएं. ओके अब्दुल्ला आप बताएं.
सर्वर.
Very good. Server. Okay, Dash is an expansion card that enables a computer to connect to a network. A, network interface card. B, VGA card. C, FAX card. D, sound card.
नेटवर्क इंटरफेस कार्ड.
Good, but you have Dash is a type of wire that consists of a center wire surrounded by insulation and then a grounded shield of a braided wire. Fiber optics, UTP, STP, coaxial cable.
कोक्सियल केबल.
Very good. Okay. So the question is, in WAN mean WAN, W stands for width, wire, wired, hole. Anybody have any question regarding today's lesson?
Please
Okay, now the lesson has been end and today's class is going to be end. So everybody have to learn these questions very well and write it on your notebook. So it will take a form of your notes. Okay. So Allah Hafiz everyone and take care of yourselves.
अल्लाह हाफिज टीचर.